Andrade. Nikki. So, can you tell me something about yourself and your professional background?
Um, I am Nikki Andrade, 22 years of age, and I'm from Emerald West, Tapas, Leyte. Um, Graduate of Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management from Visayas State University and program, sir. About the program is the hospitality management, sir, is about how many career opportunities they have. They have many career opportunities and ako lang sa sir.
What motivated you to apply for this position?
Nasa sir, pardon,
What
sir.
motivated you to apply for this position?
So I motivated sir to apply this position because of the career opportunities, and I want to when I work po sir is gusto ko na ho align na ho jud ang ako, and this is also my dream na first gap.
So, with that, what relevant skills and experiences that makes you a good fit for this position?
So the relevant skills that we is um I have ability to kana bang try new kana bang adjust and mga new situations, and also kana mga changes na mga situation gapon sir, and also I think to multitasking sir, and flexibility to do anything.
Um, did you experience major challenges, or did you face already major challenges at work? How did you handle it or respond
um
to it?
the major challenges I think is no I think the major challenges is about the kind of mga guest complaint.
Mhm.
So since I am new na kanang applicant, um, I think the guest complaints is how do I handle is like stay calm, organize, especially kanang mga challenges na situations, and also when dealing that is be professional.
So there will be a time that you will be asked to work beyond your job description or beyond the working hours. How will you take the initiative if ever you will be asked to work, beyond pa sa imong beyond sa imong working sa imong job description or beyond the working hours, without salary, for example? How will you take the initiative, or how will you talk to your employer if ever that case happen?
But sila, di mo ko makapansin sa sir.
For example, you will be asked to work beyond your job description or beyond the working hours. Kanang late ba trabahoon ka, without payment, without a salary. How will you respond, or how will you ask your employer about it?
I think I will ka-answer in ano, pwede mo bisa sir. Kanang in ano sir is normal naman lang sir in ano jud nga kana bang situations maka-OT ta in ano. So I think is this is kanang opportunity nga gihapon sir nga makakuan kay dagdag man gihapon ang learning sa ako, kanang experience, kana bang ma-enhance pang imo mga kana bang sabi kanang enhance pang imo mga kana bang for example wait sa nawak um, experience gihapon, then also kada makatabang gihapon sa imo mag-grow ka dira.
Hmm. Um, how will you handle critical feedback?
Critical feedback
For example, there are comments, complaints. How will you handle it?
kan mga bad.
Hmm.
So I will handle that by kanang
Hmm.
accept na lang, then if naibad na gani, then ikaw na kanang next nga kuan is ikaw na bang ikaw na itama na ba like Sa English na sa. Basta bagat itama na siya sir karapag si English na is.
Correct na
Ay
lang.
correct na lang para sunod nga like na ay guest complain na kanang sunod nga na ay kanang nga wrong dili na makuan mabalik na.
What do you consider your greatest strength and your greatest weakness?
So my greatest strength sir is about I can karbang ako strength sir is my strength sir is one of my strength is kanabang reliability. I can do hardworking and kung mga hardworking and also able to maging kwangyapon ko sa ka teamwork, be able ko kanang collaborate pa ko sir ingana. And also karabang be professional also ingana, flexible. So my weakness sir is I sometimes get nervous in dealing ng mga guest complaint. Siyempre, wa pa man tanaan na jud. So, with that is kanang next nga kuan na at least makuan nimo na ma-overcome nimo na kana ng mga weaknesses nimo.
Where do you see yourself 5 years from now?
In 5 years, I see myself as an skilled hospitality professional with kanang strong experience in hotel operations and also kanang mga experience is I think para naibang gihapon sir nga mga experience nga mas mapakuan pang imo positions and in ako sir is kanang makakuha pag mga learning and continue mag-grow ko kanang establish to able to help to naging success nga kanang establishment.
Do you have any questions?
None sir. Basta tip nimo sir or like company mo sir kanabang in kanabang kanabang
Sa interview.
oo.
To be honest, should be realistic, don't be ideal. And stick to your core, stick to what do you want. Don't compromise. So for example, ganun sa question na you will be asked to do um, beyond your job description. You'll be asked to work beyond the working hours without salary. Mingon ka kay para ma-hire ka ka yes, yes, yes. Nagani mga questions nga na try to not compromise.
Ay, sige sir.
Sulti sa tinuod. Di na maayo.
Ay,
Ana.
sorry sir.
Pero if cases like emergency, like labi na sa inyo, kanang mga peak season, di ba? May mga times na may emergency, for example, ipa-report ka, maybe you show up, but it should not be a permanent thing sa workplace. Okay, minamayo. Parang siguro, like, be realistic.
Sige sir. Thank you sir.
Thank you.